Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about the processing control table. Before this we have posted some videos like what is the Vision Plus, what is CMS primary records and some CMS secondary records. As we discussed the CMS secondary records total there are 22 secondary control records. Out of 22, PCT control table is the most important secondary control records. Let's see its detail in this video. First, a processing control table can be established at three different levels, means system level, org level, and logo level. To set up a system level table, leave 0 in the organization and logo fields. Then type the first PCT ID. If you go to the AF screen, suppose we want to set up a system level PCT ID. So give 000 in the org and logo. Then type the first PCT ID, that is the system level setup. And for the same way, to set up an org level PCT ID, type the org number and leave 0 in the logo field. Then type the first PCT ID, then your setup will be done at the org level. And the same way, to set up a logo level PCT ID, type the organization number and logo number. Then enter the first PCT ID, that will be set up at the logo level. We can have multiple records for each geographical area or logical grouping by establishing processing control table at the different processing level. The processing control level on the ARML 14 determines the processing level of the PCT ID on the account. It means suppose an account have some PCT ID. So to select that logo of that account number, go to the ARML screen for that particular organ logo combination. We can see here this field processing control level. It is O, means PCT level is set up at org level. A three-character code that identify each record in a processing control table, any combination of letters and or number. It means PCT ID can be any combination of letters or number. It can represent a geographical area or some other logical grouping, like for example VIPs, imply. So it means to suppose India have 27 states. Out of 27 states, it may represent one PCT ID for each states. If an account is in a private label logo, its PCT ID is the residence ID on the account based segment. If an account is in bank card logo, its PCT ID is the issuance ID on the account based segment. Okay, many people don't understand what is the meaning of residence ID and issuance ID. They think that both are same, but actually both are not the same. Suppose I am living in Bangalore city. So for me, residence ID is the like PCT ID which represent the Bangalore. And another example, suppose I am living in the Bangalore, but my cards have been issued from the Tamil Nadu Chennai. So in that scenario, the PCT ID of Chennai will be the my issuance ID. Here in this ARQB page 03 screen, we can see both are different, residence ID and issuance ID. So I hope this will be clear, and this is one of the most frequently asked question in the interview. Now take the org logo and PCT ID, the ARQMF screen, and see the how what is the component of the PCT ID. We see it contains the account control table, service fee, insurance, and 12 interest rate table. So out of 12, only one will be active at one point of time. So let's see, okay, what how it works here. A default PCT ID must be a valid PCT ID that we have entered on the processing control table. The table that you enter under each PCT ID must be at the same level as the processing control table. Now see here, this is account control table. For this account control table, online screen is the ARQI. This is the ARQI account control table. It's some of the important field here are like default retail plan, default cash plan, payment due date, grace days, minimum payment, minimum interest wave level, maximum amount that are set up here. Now the next component of the PCTI is the service fee table. It means suppose customer did the using the card, so what are the different kind of fees like over limit fee, NSF fee, membership fee, late fee, letters fee, all are set up here. So what will be the corresponding minimum amount, maximum amount, when it will be posted on the account, all are defined here in this ARVM screen. Now next is the insurance table. That for screen for insurance is the ARMI. So it may happen that customer have enrolled for some kind of insurance policy or health policy. So what will be the its premium amount, minimum age, maximum age, expiry, or when the insurance premium will be billed to the account. All are defined here in the ARMI screen. And next, that is very important and very vast is the interest rate table. As I said, there are 12 interest table. So most probably okay one rate table for each month. So out of 12, which one is active? We'll find that field a rate table occur. Suppose here 01, 0 means out of 12, table number 1 is the active. So select this number, go to the ARMR screen, enter corresponding org logo and the table number 001 selected from the ARQC screen. Then we can see the rate table here, interest rate table here. It basically interest table contains the okay, for which component interest will be accrued, year based, type of rate, like type of rate means whether we have fixed, variable, tiered, then ceiling rate one, cap increase, accrual method means whether interest rate will be accrued on the daily basis or monthly basis, year base, all are defined here. So before setting the PCT table, we must establish a valid account control table, service charge fee table, insurance table, and interest table. So normally what we have before setting up the any kind of table, so we that's always a good practice. If you copy some existing table for a given organ logo combination, then okay, according to the setup what we have given, okay, based on so you do the changes those values only. That is the best practice we have in the Vision Plus. So now this is the okay, summarization of the processing control table. It contains account control table, service charge, insurance, and interest. Control table contains the payment due days, grace days, cash limit, annual fee disclosure, minimum payment amount disclosure days. Next is the service charge fee table. It contains late fee, over limit fees, NSF fee, transaction fees. After that, insurance table. It is premium, maximum, at risk balance premium based on maximum coverage, cancellation due to delinquency, enrollment state by product. And after the last is the interest table. It contains the interest rates, accrual method, new transaction interest, rate index table, rate variance, 12 rate table occurrence per PCT ID. So now this is all about the processing control table. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe with my channel SNT Power Vision. Thank you.